USF has won its last 6 games and finished the regular season with 9 wins in the last 10 games, including the win over then number 36 Marion. That's Kagan Comer, who ranks number 20 in three-point field goal percentage as Austin Fox goes high off the glass.
Well, defensively, our effort was outstanding. I thought we contested shots, we rebounded the ball, kept guys in front, and that's something that we really focused on. For them to have 25 points in the second half, I thought that's what enabled us to really go on a big run and get up to about a 20-point lead. So, I was proud of our guys' effort defensively, and we need to continue that going forward. The other thing I thought we did a very nice job was establishing a post game, a post presence, and Austin really did that from the get-go. He took it to him. I think he scored our first 8 points, and between him, Bryce, and Kyle, I think they were about 40, 42 points in the paint. So for us to be successful, we need to make sure that we're defending, contesting shots, but also on the offensive end, we're going inside to create opportunities for our perimeter guys.
Bethel comes in with 3 scores that rank in the top 10 in the Crossroads League.
Bethel's an explosive team, probably one of the most explosive teams in the country, and their 3 guards are outstanding. We got to really make sure that we're solid in transition defense, not giving them easy looks. When they get easy looks, they can go on big runs. So we need to make sure that our transition defense is outstanding. You look back to the first Bethel game when they came here and took care of business pretty easily. I think that was the turning point in our season. The way we handled it after the game, the way we approached our future opponents or practice, something just changed, and I felt like we changed the way we played too. We freed the guys up a little bit, gave them a little bit more freedom, and they really just took off. And like I said, I'm proud of our guys, the way they've handled that, because that was a 20-point loss at home, and we just really responded well to that. Early on, we were just trying to find ways to win. At Northwood, we had a big lead, just couldn't get over that hump and find a way to win. We got down early against Davenport, like you mentioned. I think we ended up losing by 2, and again, even going back to our second Wesleyan game when we were down there up by 17 in the second half, I felt like, every team has different levels, and our next level at that point was, how do we win that game? And for us to respond, learn from our loss at Wesleyan, and then rebound with a big win on the road at Bethel, I felt like that was we got to that next level. We got to, our team understood what it took to win and finish games and take care of the ball in pressure situations. So, I think, from the beginning, I've said it all year long, from the beginning to where we are now, I think the growth of this team is outstanding, probably one of the best since I've been at St. Francis, and we just need to continue that and play St. Francis basketball on Saturday.